Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, I am going to show you how I have automated my entire business WhatsApp chatbot such that whenever someone or a customer is sending me any query, I am going to instantly reply to that customer using this AI agent. So I am going to test this once whether it is working fine or not. For that, I am going to open my WhatsApp. And I'm going to ask or send some question like, why are your prices higher than local cleaners? I'm going to send this message. Let's wait for the reply. Whether this AI agent is working properly or not, whether it is replying to all the questions or the queries I'm sending or not. And here it is. It has sent me this message. We offer few key advantages that justify our pricing. Trained staff, branded chemicals, machine support, GST invoice. I'm going to ask another question. Can I have same day service? I'm going to send this message. Let's wait for the reply here. And here it has sent me another message. We try our best to accommodate same day service. Availability depends on your location and time slot. Could you please share your PIN code? This will help us check if we can schedule a service for you today. I'm going to share my PIN code like. So I'm going to send this message and let's wait for the reply. So here it has sent me this message. Thank you for sharing your PIN code. Let me check the availability for the same day service in this particular area. Could you please let me know which service you need? So I want full home deep cleaning. I'm going to send this message. Let's wait for the reply. So here it has sent me this message. Great choice. For a full home deep cleaning in this area, could you please provide the size of the property in square feet or the number of BHK? This will help me prepare an accurate quote for you. So I'm going to write 2 BHK, send this message. Let's wait for the reply next. And here it has sent me this message. Thank you. For this BHK home deep cleaning, the area is this much, price is this much, GST is this much, total payable, time required, team of 3 cleaners. Would you like to proceed with the booking? If I enter yes, I'm going to receive another reply. So let's wait for the reply, whether they are confirming the booking or not. And here it is. Awesome. To finalize your booking, I need few details. And as I enter these details, my booking will be confirmed. So this is how you see that my AI is automatically handling all the questions, all the queries and the bookings and the pricings, etc. Now, if you also want to learn how you can create this AI agent using Pabbly Chatflow, let's start creating this from the beginning. So here in this video, we are going to learn how we are going to create an AI agent using Pabbly Chatflow, which is going to automate all the queries sent by the customers of booking and pricing related issues. So here we are on my screen. We are going to visit Pabbly Chatflow. To visit Pabbly Chatflow, you simply need to write www.pabbly.com/chatflow in the browser. And after browsing the website, we need to sign in to our Pabbly Chatflow account. But before we sign in, let me quickly take you towards Pabbly community. So you can join this Pabbly community to connect with business owners, experts, and the Pabbly support team. You can share tips, ask questions, and get quick solutions to your automation challenges. You can stay updated on latest features and collaborate with thousands of users who help and support each other every day. Now, if you want to learn how you can join this community, then please check out the link given in the description. Let's move back towards Pabbly Chatflow. After browsing this website, we need to sign in to our Pabbly Chatflow account. On the top right corner, you can see 2 options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in, and if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free, and this will give you 100 credits free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on the sign in, and here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'm going to click on this Pabbly Chatflow, access now, and I will be landed towards the app dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. So here it is. You can see the credit allotted, credit consumed, credit remaining, and the WhatsApp number added. To add your own WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account, simply click on this add WhatsApp number. Click on this WhatsApp, connect your WhatsApp to your Pabbly Chatflow account. Or you can use a manual token to connect your WhatsApp to your Pabbly Chatflow account. Now, if you want to get the step-by-step process, the link of that video is available in the description. You can check that out. Now, on the left-hand side where you can see all these options, we have the inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast flows, AI assistant, activity log, settings, and get help. We have created dedicated and detailed video on all of these features, the link to which is available in the description. You can check that out. Now, to create an AI agent, we have to move towards this AI assistant. So let's open this. We have landed towards this AI assistant page. You can see the total AI assistant, active AI assistants, which are active on some chats, and the inactive AI assistant. To create a new AI assistant, you simply need to click on this add AI assistant, and first we have to name this. So the name is AI service quotation agent. I'm simply going to click on this add AI assistant now. Here I have landed towards this page from where we are going to start creating this AI agent. Now in the instruction type, the first one is AI instructions. In the instructions type, I'm going to select it as AI agent. As I select this AI agent, instructions are automatically added. You can add and update this instruction according to your choice and preference. If I scroll down further, I have this AI configuration. Over here, I have this temperature. So set how the creative AI answers are. 0 means more focused, 1 means more creative. So if we go from 0 to 1, the creativity of how the AI is answering will improve. I'm going to keep it as 0.7. The AI to use will be OpenAI. The model will be GPT-4o Mini. And now to get this API key, we are going to follow the help desk given below. We are going to click on this hyperlink which is given, and it will take me towards the API keys page of OpenAI. Here it is. To create a new API token, you simply need to click on this create new secret key. First, you have to provide the key name. So let's say the key is test. The project will be default project. The permissions will be all, and then I simply need to click on this create secret key. A new API token will be provided to me, which I need to copy and simply paste that over here. I already have the API key, so I have added that. Now I need to click on this connect. Please make sure that when you add the API key, you click on this connect to make the connection of this API key. Now I am using the paid version of OpenAI, so please make sure that you also have the paid version. Otherwise, it won't work. Then we have this AI assistant setting. So if you want to provide the header message and the footer message, you have to first toggle on these buttons, write the message, and it will start appearing. For now, I'm going to toggle this off. We have the stop keyword, so I have toggled this on. Now, when the customer wants to stop the replies getting from the AI, what they can do, they can simply enter the keyword and the AI will stop replying. So here I'm going to write stop and press enter, and in this manner I have entered the keyword. Next we have this retry attempt. So if you want to increase or decrease the number of retry attempt when the AI agent fails to respond, then you can do that from here. Specify the number of fallback retry attempt if the AI assistant failed to respond. Valid range is 1 to 10. For now, I'm going to toggle this off. We have this fallback message. So if the API is not responding, the AI agent will not be able to send the messages, and then it will send this fallback message which we have added. I'm here to assist with questions related to company information or support. If you have any question about our service or need assistance with something specific, feel free to ask. So here you can enter anything in this fallback message. You can add the company details or the phone number, so that when the AI is not able to respond to the queries of the customer, that particular detail is sent to them and the customer can contact you directly. We are done with this first step. Moving on towards the next, which is this knowledge source. So over here, I'm going to select knowledge source. I'm going to select it as upload file. In this, I'm going to upload a file by clicking on this cloud. I have already downloaded the knowledge source which I'm going to open, and in this manner I've uploaded that. I'm going to open that first here for you. So this is the knowledge base which I have created. Full knowledge base AI service quotation. The name of the business, location, category, USP, business profile, then the rest of the details. Like what we provide, what are the charges, what are the material, what are the services, pricing, booking workflow, payment terms, cancellation and refund, quality and process, bot response style. So I have added so many things in this particular knowledge base, and I have trained my AI agent to respond according to the knowledge base which I have created, and it is working similarly. So we have to create a knowledge base in that manner that whenever a customer asks something about our business, based on this knowledge base which we have created and trained our AI agent, the AI is able to respond to that particular query or the question. So we have to create a very detailed knowledge base. So after adding this knowledge base, we are going to move towards the next step, which is this assistant interface. We have this display heading message. So for now, let's say I want to keep it as Pabbly, and you see that it has started appearing over here. Then if you want to keep this subheading, you can keep that. If you want to remove, you can do that, and it will be removed from here. Then we have this initial message. So based on the initial message which you are going to enter here, your AI is going to reply. So you can add 2 initial messages and AI will send that particular 2 messages. We have this display the powered by Pabbly. So over here you can see it is enabled. If I disable this, it will be removed. I'm going to keep it as enable. We have this footer Text, I have entered footer text as privacy policy, and in the footer link I have added the link to privacy policy. You can enter according to your choice and preference. We have this user first message. So when the user sends this particular message, I need help, the AI is going to reply to them. But it is not necessary that only this message is going to trigger my AI agent to reply. It is going to reply on any message or any question. So moving on towards the next step, the last one is styling. So here I have kept the theme mode as light. You can keep it as dark. Then we have this assistant shape. If you want, you can keep it as circle, square or rounded square. I'm going to keep it as circle. We have this background color, text color, button color, chat bubble, text color. And then the rest of the details you can set according to your choice and preference. I'm going to keep it as default. We have this header profile picture, assistant profile picture, and the background picture. You can upload these pictures according to your choice and preference, just in the manner we have added the knowledge base. We have finally created this AI agent. Now we have to toggle this on. If we do not toggle this on, the messages won't be sent, and then we have to save this. If we do not save this, all this will be lost. We can also embed this AI agent to our website by using this code to our website, and whenever someone clicks on that, they will be redirected towards the chat. Now we have to learn how we can enable this particular AI agent to a particular chat or a particular list or to all the contacts. For that, on the left hand side where you can see this inbox, I'm going to open this in a new tab. So here, this was my chat. I'm simply going to click on this choose AI assistant, and I'm going to choose the AI assistant and save that. In this manner, I have enabled that particular AI assistant to this particular chat. But doing this manually and to particular chats is a very logical task. So on the left hand side where you can see all these options, I'm going to click on the settings and go towards the inbox settings. I'm going to open this in a new tab. Here I've landed towards this inbox settings. If I scroll down, I can see this enable AI auto reply. So first I'm going to disable this so that we can see how we can enable this. So here we have disabled this. I'm going to now enable this, and then what you can do, suppose I'm going to delete this. You have to click on this set more rule. You can simply select any list, like this is the list, festival customers, or you can select all the contacts. Assign the AI agent to a particular list or to all the contacts in this manner, and simply save this, and you will see that these AI agents will be assigned to the particular list or to all the contacts. Inbox settings saved successfully. So this is how we do this. We are going to test this AI agent for the last time. I'm going to open my WhatsApp and I'm going to send a message. I'm going to write what is the price for 1 BHK. Send this message. Let's wait for the reply now. And here it has sent me this message. Full home deep cleaning for 1 BHK. The pricing is rupees 8 per square feet. This is the minimum charge. Average time required is this much, and the team size is 2 cleaners. So my AI agent is replying to my query or the question. So this is how my AI agent is working. If you have any queries, you can comment down this video below and we will try to resolve it as soon as possible. You can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting WhatsApp chatbot. I hope you liked this video and understood this video very well. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any questions, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the website given over here. Also, you can try Pabbly Chatflow for 100% free and create your own WhatsApp chatbot.